Welcome back to Jessie's Performance. We are at the Pistons and Paint car show today up in Denton at the fairgrounds. We have a little booth set up selling some of our merch, and we are showing off the split bumper Camaro, which is not as popular as you'd think it is, but there's a lot of old school stuff here. They got some like rockabilly music playing, food trucks. It's a pretty good time. There's a lot of cars here, so we're just gonna kind of walk around and show you what we see. Here we go. Good, how are you?
Elizabeth,
hi.
Stacie.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. That's a sweet bike.
I know, it's really cute.
That was her first win that customized for her. So. Nice, man.
I love it.
Yeah. Now she's just kind of just pedaling around.
This is my first time actually.
Well, good for you.
Yeah, you're doing good so far, so. Thank you. I just got here with one. No, we've been here all day.
We have a booth over there.
Bumper Camaro. Yeah, we got a booth over there. Where? On the back row. Okay, we haven't made it all the way yet. We've only got to midpoint.
We're headed back that way now.
All right, we'll see you here in a minute.
All right, cool. Alright y'all, that's it for the Pistons and Paint car show for us. We're kind of new to the car show scene, so I don't know. We just sat here. We're not used to just sitting here. But anyways, thanks for watching.